Hey, it's Frank from 40 Honeybee, and I'm here to check out that hive. That is my swarm hive, my second swarm hive, and I caught it 27 June. It's now the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, American friends, and happy birthday to my two girls, my two twins. They turned 19 and we're gonna have a heck of a time. We're leaving on a jet plane tomorrow, so it's gonna be a good one. So this swarm was caught 8 days ago. It's gotta be 9 days ago, actually. Yeah, no, it was caught the 24th. So that's 11 days ago. So I just wanna see how this queen is doing. I haven't seen the queen yet. And I mean, there were a lot of bees when I hived them. And because I'm going away for a couple of weeks, there might be the need to put on a second box. And yeah, I'd say I'll put on a second box, partly because we know they like to swarm, but also because, look, you can see bees on one, well, basically on all the frames that are drawn out, there are bees. And there are a few frames that aren't drawn out, but there's definitely enough bees in here to warrant a second box. And I'm gonna go in and have a look and see if I can see what's going on. I think, as I recall, I did see the queen laying when I was in here about 8 or 9 days ago. So let's see what we've got here. I still haven't determined which hive swarmed, and I probably should have, but there was just so much going on in those last, in those days when I caught the swarm. I also tore my hamstring. So it has not been easy getting out here. Look at that beautiful frame. They're filling it up with nectar already. There's a little bee on my finger here. Little young nurse, fuzzy nurse. It's one thing that I've been stung a lot this year, and you do kind of get, I wouldn't want to say used to it. I still hurt like hell, but it doesn't create such a panic response most of the time as it used to. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, there's the queen right there. Wow, a big, beautiful, unmarked black queen. So I don't know where she could have come from. What do you think? Should I mark her? I didn't really plan on marking her. Let's set this frame down and see what we got here. Fortuitous that I was able to find it so quickly. Where are you? There she is. She's big and beautiful. Look at her. See her right there? Let's see if I can grab her. Maybe I should just try marking her right there. No. If I get her eyes, she's dead. So let's just try and pick her up. She's nice and calm. Sticking her head in cells. Okay, that's got her. Let's check out this pin. Test it on me. Yeah, it's working good. There's a good spot. Let's get her. Okay. That's a marked queen. How do you like that? All right. I'm just going to leave her out. Might as well grab the, well, I'm going to just see if she's laying here. This is the frame she was on, so we'll look for eggs. Don't see any eggs on this side, but I would be very surprised if there were not eggs. Oh, maybe on the next frame. Well, this is honey and pollen. And there's eggs and nectar, or sorry, eggs and larvae. All right, so this queen is doing just fine. Let's just grab one more frame maybe. Frame that they're drawing out. No eggs on that one, and they're just drawing out this side. Okay, maybe I'll look at one more. Wow, beautiful frame, just ready for her to lay. She has not laid in here yet. Same with this one. They're kind of capping it with nectar, and then the bottom is all for her. All right, let's get this show back on the road. We'll add a second box in. We'll add the queen in. And these guys are good. Good swarm catch. I don't know where that queen came from. She's not one of my marked queens, so she would have had to have been a split queen from this year. And I don't know. I don't know where that would be. I mean, yeah, I did see one of my splits, I think, that didn't have a queen in it, that did have a queen in it before, but anyway. I'll let the queen in before I put this box on. Okay, queen. Don't be wanting to fly. There she goes. Don't be flying. There you go. She was flapping those wings like she wanted to go somewhere. Okay, let's get the second box on. So I think what this means is that's very likely one of the new queens that I made immediately swarmed. But how could this hive have so many bees? Because it wasn't a split. It's a lot more bees than would be in a split. So I don't know. It continues to be a mystery to me as where that queen came from. But what's not a mystery is that she's doing great. So is this hive. And I was very fortunate not to lose those bees. So let's just line these guys up. Okay, and that's good. All right, so the mystery kind of continues. I mean, I got the queen, I got a marked queen, and the hive is healthy. So that's really what I care about. So that's another mystery that we'll have to solve later at 40 honeybee.